Are you a character designer or comic artist and don't know how to color your drawings? Look no further, because in today's video I'm going to teach you how to bring your characters to life using color. I'll also be coloring the drawing from the last video on how to create pro level characters, so make sure you check out that video first. I'll also be coloring this drawing digitally in Krita. The first step in coloring your character digitally is to transfer your traditional drawing into a digital format, unless you did the drawing digitally or coloring it traditionally. I use a special trick to turn my traditional drawing into a digital one. Place your drawing on the screen with the drawing software open, then rub your hand on the back of the drawing and voila, your drawing will be now in digital format. I'm just joking. I spent an hour getting the drawing from a traditional format to a digital format. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to start coloring. First step in coloring any drawing is to add flat colors. Flat colors are a good way to insert which colors go where. Flat colors should be light and consistent in tone. This will make it easier to add gradient to the colors later. You could either use the select tool and draw a selection around the whole character, then use the fill tool to fill the selected area, or you could use a large brush and fill in the character, which is the method I used here. The approach I like to take when coloring any drawing is to first color the whole character and then color the background last, although you can do whichever method is comfortable for you. Once all the flats were done, it was time to add form to the character using gradients. You can do this by adding darker tones in the areas where there's less light and blend those dark colors into light colors. And to make the colors pop, you can add very light colors for highlights in the areas where direct light is hitting. Once we have added gradient to the flat colors, we can start to add textures to the character. Textures enhance the realism of the drawing and make it look more real. The main part I wanted to texture on the character was the leather armor, which was textured using scales. Although for this drawing, I spent more time texturing the background. Before we move on to the background, I want to teach you a simple color trick that will level up your drawings from 1 to 10. That's using contrasting or complementing colors. Contrast is the difference between two colors that makes one color stand out. And you must be wondering, how do I know which colors contrast? It's quite simple. Opposite colors contrast. For example, the contrasting color of black is white, and you can use the color wheel to find contrasting colors. For this drawing, since the skin was orange-yellow, I did a dark blue sky in the background to make the character stand out. Another advantage of contrasting colors is it guides the viewer to the object, the main object, which is the character. For the background, I followed the same process of adding flat colors, then adding gradients and texture to make the asteroid and mountains look realistic. the night sky, I blended the blue from dark to light and used a splat brush to add stars. That's how you bring your characters to life with colors. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below which version you like more, the black and white or the colored. We're only 2 subscribers away from 50 subscribers, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you can always support by liking the video or sharing with friends and family. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to keep drawing. See you in the next video. Bye.